Hello everyone, AdamWilkins.com reps. Today we are going to talk about a launch package, and this is defined by everything you need to do to successfully and properly launch a new product in Seller Central. You should be prepared to do all of these things in order to successfully launch an item in Seller Central, and guarantee that you have some degree of sales right off the bat. So you're not in a waiting period or a queue where you've got months and months where you need to accrue relevance, reviews, sales. You're spending, but you're not generating. You've got no reviews, all of the above. So first thing you want to do, and we've discussed this in other videos, is obviously add your product. I would recommend doing it through add via upload. So you're going to download your template, you're going to fill everything in, and this video assumes you already know the value of long tail keywords, keyword research, loading the title, bullets, product description with keywords. So we're going to skip through that whole process where you've created your item, and we're also going to assume that you've gotten photographs with infographics from someone who is skilled and versed in Amazon image requirements. So you're going to find a photographer, whether you use apps and services and explore services, right? You're looking for cataloging or imaging, right? So you can find people in here that do photography, editing, what have you. We can go back and look for people that are doing A+ content. So that's another subject here. We want to launch A+ content with images the second the ASIN is created. Now, if you don't want to use one of these agencies, you can simply use Upwork, Fiverr. You can Google it. There's a lot of great subcontractors out there. Sherritt Studio is another one in Miami where they can do everything under one roof: the photography, the videography, infographics, A+ content. You want the whole package. So it's important that you gather all this before you're ready to sell. So let's skip through. You've uploaded your images. You've gone in, advertising your A+ content, which is this menu here. If it loads, you've created a brand story. You've got all the right artwork for your different projects here. You want A+ content on every single thing you sell. Don't skimp. It will help sell the product. It will help convert. The next thing you want to do immediately when you have inventory is Vine. So this assumes, again, you need brand registry to do Vine, participate this, but you're going to enroll a Vine, max it out, send 30 in. This guarantees you close to 30 reviews. You can see not everyone who claims and gets the free product will leave a review. The active items still collecting those reviews from the 30 enrolled will appear here. So these are the reviews that you've actually received from the units sent, and here is basically what's outstanding. The kind of crummy thing is these people are all supposed to leave a review in exchange for free product, but they don't, and there are no consequences to that. There's nothing you can do about it. So you want to send all 30 in because you're not going to get 30. So now we've loaded the inventory in. We've enrolled Vine. We've launched with A+ content, and if you are able to, you're going to want to have a video produced and upload the video to the detail page as well. So you do that real here simply. You upload it. You can do a cover image. You can manage this. You click manage. You can decide which ASINs the video displays on. So our next step, once we've done infographics, we've done item setup, we've done EBC, A+ content, we've done Vine, video, Now we want to launch with a promotion. So we're going to go to coupons. We're going to go to create a promotion. We want some kind of call to action. So you've now intended on driving traffic to your detail page. What are you going to do to entice them to buy? Well, you want to give them an offer. Now this can be a temporary offer. I would suggest doing promotions for a good 1 to 2 months with every launch. So you incentivize people to buy that new item because it is a harder sale without a lot of reviews or relevance. So give them an excuse to buy. And the next thing we want to do is advertise, right? So we want to go to our campaign manager and we want to launch multiple ads on each item. So here we can see, various campaigns that we've got executed, and what we want to do is launch different campaigns for each product, separate campaigns, and then have a strategy that scales as sales scale, right? So start with sponsored products, automatic and manual, and then sponsored brand, and you can pepper in display and retargeting and things like that. But now it's important because we want to drive customers to our detail page artificially, because we will not have a lot of sales going naturally. So the artificial drivers are very important for the success of those new items. The other thing we want to do when we launch our new items is to add that new item to our store. So we're going to edit our store here, and we are either going to add that new product via some kind of shoppable image or product module to either a new page on our store or an existing page on our store. This way, customers who visit our store will see that new item for sale. You want it to be as cohesive as possible. So back to the Seller Central side, we want to visit our A+ content and also go back and we want to go back and edit some of our existing A+ contents and essentially add into our chart that we want on every single ASIN the full family of products. This is so your high traffic existing converting ASINs can drive traffic to those other children ASINs, which may be on separate detail pages or may be new and just need a boost. So if you have this sort of comprehensive and cohesive approach, people that land on your detail page, rather than hitting the back button, they get sucked into, and this is not working here, but they get sucked into a loop of your brand. So your brand page links back to the same items that your A+ links between common items, and you want them to just bounce back and forth between items in your store and not go elsewhere. And not hit the back button, go back in the search and look for a new item. So you kind of want to get them stuck in a loop inside of your brand, and this will help increase the odds for conversion across not just your pre-existing items, but also your brand new items. This is the best way to launch new products, and with all of these tools inside of Seller Central, you could also push from outside of Seller Central via Facebook, Instagram, ads, promotions, links, friends and family, to try and boost the traffic back in organically to lift your sales. And it really won't take long. If you do this correctly, you probably can lift an item off the ground in, let's say, 1 to 2 months. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've got any comments or questions below.